Hey everyone, the Honor GT marks a significant milestone for Honor as the company ventures into the high-end gaming smartphone market. Designed to cater to both mobile gamers and tech enthusiasts, the Honor GT boasts cutting-edge hardware, innovative software, and a striking design that lives up to its name. Powered by a flagship Snapdragon processor, the device pairs performance with a visual flair that sets it apart in the competitive gaming smartphone segment. The Honor GT is sleek and lightweight, measuring 161 by 74.2 by 7.7 millimeters and weighing just 196 grams. Its flat design, complemented by rounded edges, makes it comfortable to hold. The rear panel features a rectangular camera island housing dual lens cutouts, an LED flash, and bold GT branding, reinforcing its performance-oriented aesthetic. One of the Honor GT's standout features is its 6.7-inch AMOLED display, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 2664 by 1200 resolution. The screen supports 1.07 billion colors in DCI-P3 wide color gamut, with a local peak brightness of 4000 nits and global peak brightness of 1200 nits. Under the hood, Honor GT is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering exceptional speed and smooth multitasking capabilities. The device supports up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample space for apps, games, and multimedia content. Device runs on Magic OS 9.0, built on Android 15, which introduces a host of AI-driven features. The Glory Phantom engine optimizes AI rendering, display performance, and power efficiency. Battery life is another strong point for the Honor GT, thanks to its robust 5,300 mAh battery. The phone supports 100-watt Honor superfast charge technology, allowing rapid charging to keep users powered throughout the day. Connectivity options are comprehensive, with support for dual 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C. The IP65 rating ensures durability against dust and water, while features like stereo speakers, X-axis linear motor, and an infrared remote control add to the user experience. Honor GT also excels in the camera department. Its rear setup includes 50 megapixels wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization and 12 megapixels ultra-wide macro camera. This configuration enables 4K video recording and high-quality photography in various modes, such as night mode, portrait mode, and time-lapse. The front-facing 16 megapixels wide-angle camera supports 1080p video recording, making it ideal for selfies and video calls. Available in Phantom Black, Ice Crystal White, and Aurora Green, the Honor GT caters to diverse aesthetic preferences. Pricing starts at $300 for the 12 and 256 gigabytes variant. Pre-orders are currently open in China, with official sales beginning on December 24th. With its powerful performance, premium design, and competitive pricing, Honor GT is poised to be a formidable contender in the gaming smartphone market. Whether for gaming enthusiasts or everyday users seeking flagship-level features, Honor GT delivers a compelling package. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.